What's up, amazing people of YouTube? TJ here again. Very exciting unboxing for you guys today. Yes, this is the brand spanking new iPhone XS Max just released today. I was so happy FedEx actually dropped this off to me at a decent time instead of the usual evening or late evening time thing they usually do it. So I'm very happy about that. So let's jump right into it. So the packaging is a little different this year. Obviously, this is the nice planet scene that they are showing. And as you can see, Apple likes to cleverly disguise the notch at the top. But we all know the notch is there, Apple. But anyhow, let's go ahead and take the plastic tag off of this. I am so excited to do this, guys. I pretty much feel like this is everything that the iPhone X probably should have been, or at least we should have had this option last year. But I'm glad Apple did that. They finally brought it to us this year. I guess that's how Apple keeps us coming back and spending their money. But, so this is the box, as you can see. Pretty standard stuff here, guys. Apple logos on the top and bottom of the box. And, of course, the front is the scene, and on the back is just the information. You guys know that. So let's get to what you guys really care about. The main highlight of the event, of the video. Carefully, very carefully, and there she is. But not yet. Designed by Apple in California. You guys always know about that. And now we can say there she is. Wow. Okay. Whew, she is. Man, that's a nice phone. That is just a beauty. I mean, it pretty much really just is a bigger iPhone X, but wow. And wow, does that Space Gray look good. I'm actually coming from a silver iPhone X, but I have to say, there's just something about that Space Gray, pretty much black, that just looks so dang good. Oh yeah, she's a beauty. And essentially, just to give you guys an idea, this is essentially like an iPhone 8 Plus, you could say, in terms of the overall footprint of the device. But instead of the home button and the ugly bezels, you just get the entire giant screen, which is so nice. So I would give you a comparison of the iPhone X versus the XS Max, but I can't right now because obviously I'm using the 10 to film this, but this is it, guys. And yes, I'll even do the oh-so-satisfying removal of the plastic on the phone. Oh, there's nothing like it. I always like to say it's better than sex. Whether or not that's true is yet to be seen, but I will say it's pretty close to it. Man, there's nothing like taking the plastic off a new Apple device. And there she is. I am so glad to finally have this. Also, I will say, do not even consider, please consider two things. For one, please don't consider using this phone without a protective case. And second, please opt for the guarantee that Apple is now offering for $10 a month. It's only $10 a month for the Apple Care for this thing. And if you do have to use the Apple Care, it's $29 for a screen replacement and $100 for internal damage. That's the deposits of the Apple Care guarantee. So that's really not a bad price. I highly suggest that if you're going to be using this with just a thin case like I am. I've never liked big bulky cases. I think that takes away from the overall experience of Apple devices. So I'll use a pretty thin case from my favorite company, Stegen. And no, I'm not a sponsored person, I just like Stegen. And I'll use a pretty relatively lightweight case from them, combined with the Apple Care guarantee. So I just wanted to mention that as well. But yeah, with that being said, guys, this is it. This is the this is the iPhone XS Max. You can see it in all her glory. And the very end of the video, I will quickly show you what else is in the box. You guys pretty much know what's in here. You do have the power the USB adapter. You have the ear pods, which, if you might notice, there is no included lightning to audio jack adapter this year. You will have to get that separately, which I think is totally fine. I know some people don't like that, but really, I think if you're one of those people that are still upset over the missing headphone jack in your iPhone, I think it's safe to say it's time to move on. I don't mean that in disrespectfully, but it's time to move on. And of course, this is the lightning to USB cable. So you guys all know that. And that's pretty much it. And inside of here, of course, we just have the documentation. I'm not going to go through that. So that's it, guys. That is your look at the iPhone XS Max. I will, of course, be doing a full review very soon, after a couple of days of using it, probably. But yeah, upon first impression, it looks really dang good. I mean, it looks so sleek. And I can already tell this larger screen is just going to be so perfect. Again, it's a 6.5-inch Super Retina display, meaning OLED, obviously. And it is just a very nice phone and first impression. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, peace out for now.